Hello, students. This is your teacher, Miss Halima. Today, we're going to be starting with a new project. So, my request is for you guys to go to my website, technows.com, click on the fourth grade page, and our lesson for today is the PowerPoint skills. If it asks you for the password, you should know by now it's SCHAL. Please write that in and click Login to get to the lesson. So what we're going to be creating today, you're going to be creating a presentation using PowerPoint. Your presentation will be on you. Please follow the directions below. Start PowerPoint, look at the desktop for an icon that looks like this one, and click on it 2 times to start. So I'm going to minimize my browser. I'm going to go to the desktop, and I'm looking for an icon that looks like this one. It's red, and it has the letter P in white in it. And it should say PowerPoint underneath. I'm going to click on it 2 times to launch the application. Okay, so like we said, your presentation will be on you. We're waiting for the application to start. Ooh, this is taking long. Okay, once PowerPoint has been launched, we have 2 options. We can start with a blank presentation like this one, or we can choose one of the templates that have been provided for us. And there is quite a variety here. I think I'm going to start, since the presentation is about me, I want to find something that I like. And I think I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to choose this template. I'm given 2 options for this, and I think I'm going to go with this one. I'll click on it, and then I will click Create. And my presentation, the first step is done. My presentation has been created. I will click where it says click to add title, and I'll call my presentation All About Me. I think I'll make that a capital as well. Click to add subtitle over there. I think I'm going to put my name by Miss Halima. Okay, so here's my first slide. Now I want to add a slide, and my first slide so far only has my title, and my subtitle is my name. So I want to add a slide, and I will stay on the Home tab. I'll click where it says New Slide, and I will choose one of these. And I think I am going to go with this one. So I have brought in a new slide. In the second slide, my title, I will say my favorite animal, not pet, animal. I really like cats. I really like cats. Oh, well, maybe I can change my title to say my favorite animals. So I can add a second one here, my favorite animals. I like cats. I like dogs. I like ladybugs, etc. I'll leave it to this. Now I can bring an image here if I want. And to bring an image, I am going to click on Insert, Online Pictures. This is pretty much like what we used to do with Microsoft Word when we wanted to bring a picture in. But I can click here and I can search for a picture of a cat. And there is a cute one. Let's see. It seems like I cannot use that one. Okay, let's see if we can use this one. I guess I cannot use this one either. Perhaps this one. Yep, this one I can bring in. I'll scroll down because this is way too big. I want to make it smaller. So I'm going to go to the corner points here with my picture selected. I'll click and scroll all the way in to make it smaller, and I can bring it up here. Now, I have also saved a picture of my cats on my computer, and I'm going to try to bring that one in. So I'm going to click on Insert, and this time I will click on Pictures, the tool Pictures, and I'm going to go search for my pictures. I have saved it in my documents, in my own folder, and here is a picture of my two cats. This is way too big. Again, I'm going to click, and I think I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'm going to move my picture up here, and I'll make it a little bigger so I can see my two cats a little better. Okay, I think this is as far as I'm going to go today. I am just going to add, I have created a presentation with 2 slides. One of them has my title and my subtitle, which in my case is my name. And the second one, I start mentioning things that I like in order to introduce myself, who I am, and what I like. And I have brought in a picture of my 2 cats. Now I need to save my work, and because this is the first time we are working on this project, we're going to go to File, and we're going to click on Save As. I need to look for my folder, so I'm going to click Browse, and I'm in my Documents. Here's my folder, and I will save my presentation with a title. It creates a name for me, which in this case is the title I created for my presentation, which says all about me. I think I'm just going to get rid of that exclamation point there, and I'm going to click Save. And my presentation has been saved. I can exit out of it now, and if I go look for it, Documents, Miss Halima, and here it is. Okay, so this is as far as we're going to go today. It is now your turn to give it a try.